Habib Mohamed, Asante Kotoko, centre back, playing for this club a year now. Kotoko is a big club as well when it comes to Ghana, and it's every player is going to play for Asante Kotoko. Honestly, my aim is to play for the Champions League, like to win Champions League as well for the club, because I can say that's what the club needs for now. So that's my aim. Not bad as well, but it's tough. But honestly, I can say it's great. It won't be easy, but definitely we are going to work hard to achieve our dream or to achieve our aim, which is the Champions League. And I know definitely one day we will lift the trophy. Honestly, I don't have a role model, but I really like people like Pogba, Lilian Thuram, and a lot of them. I just like his caliber, like his style of play. But I just want to be myself. That's why I don't have a role model.